Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, welcome to the channel. If you are new, so glad you are here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing one of Outre's new perfect hairline units. And I have it in the style Cheyenne and in the color 2. I want to say thank you to Outre for providing today's unit. If you guys are interested in seeing this install process as well as hearing what I think about it, then make sure you continue to watch today's video. And of course, before we jump into today's video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would really appreciate it. And then make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload. You can follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright you guys, so here is the finished installation process of today's unit. Miss Cheyenne is very much so cute and serving and giving. Okay, I like her a lot. Rating this unit, honestly, I'm gonna have to just give her a 10 out of 10. I didn't have any issues with it. I really like this wig, okay? So we'll jump into some stock card information first. So it is from the Perfect Hairline series. This unit does come with their full scalp. I know some people actually have been cutting their full scalps out. I've never tried that personally, but if you guys are not a fan of the full scalp, you might be able to cut it out. I do not know, so don't quote me on that. I've just seen people do it like on TikTok and other videos as well. So if you don't like them, I think you can cut them out. And it also has a 13x6 lace parting space, and it comes with transparent HD lace, pre-plucked as well, and you can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. So in the inside of the unit, it just tells you what a faux scalp is, and it tells you all of the different key factors that the unit has. And then on the back, We have a bunch of other color options, you guys. I know I stuck with black because I just feel I really like to wear my wigs a lot, and I feel like nowadays majority of the time I'm always at work, so I need to have something that's a little bit more calm tone in the hair color. So I just like to stick with black, but trust me, on weekends or when I'm not at work, you can catch me in some type of colored hair, but for the most part I stick with black because I like it a lot. Okay, but they do have it in like browns, some reds, blondes, one Cajun spice will be an orange shade, and then it gives you step-by-step instructions on how you can install your wig as well. So that's pretty much all the information on the stock card. We'll go ahead and jump into some key factors of the unit that I really like. Love the versatility of this unit. I know, yet again, your girl stuck with a middle part. I'm sorry, I can't help it. It's just like my mind, my hands, my tools, everything it just migrates straight to a middle part. I can't help it. I apologize, but as you can see on the card, it can be worn in other styles. You can do a side part, braid it back, top knot, all that stuff. Maybe one day. Or if you comment on this video, if you let me know that you would like to see me try some of the different styles on the units in the comment section below, I can make a separate video on that. I would not have an issue with doing it. But yes, so the unit does come versatile, you guys, so you can make up other styles with your unit. Now, this looks like a lot of hair on my head, I am aware, but you guys, it is like full but so lightweight. This hair is extremely lightweight, y'all. Like, it feels like, it doesn't even feel like I have a bunch of hair on my head. So I love the fact that it feels so lightweight even though it's a lot of hair. It's also a very long unit. I estimate, y'all, it's probably like 26, 28. Possible 30, probably about 28. That's what I think it is. But yeah, I love the curls in it as well. I like the texture, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be a little bit more on the hardcore side, but it's actually pretty soft to the touch, and I really like how it feels. I love that the curls are loose curls as well. I love that they're not super tight, and I didn't have to comb them out. It literally just came out of the packaging just like this. It's also super duper big head friendly, you guys. Like, I have so much space back here. Like, do you see this? Like, can you see me pulling the cap? Okay, and it has an elastic band in it, adjustable straps, as well as some combs for your security reasons. You could probably wear this unit glueless, but I wore mine with just a tap but a spray because I knew I was going to be doing all this baby hair stuff in the front, so I knew it was just going to need a little extra love. But you don't have to use it. That was just my personal opinion. I didn't have any issues with the wig whatsoever. Hairline is made very nice as well. I worked with the baby hairs that they gave me, and I kind of did a lot of little swoop action in the front, but you don't have to do. But I was just feeling a little creative at the moment, and I wanted to just get out there and give myself a bunch of baby hair swoops. So yes, you do have that option as well. Perfect hairline. Do I think it falls in that? I do, because it blended like with no problem whatsoever. I didn't have to pluck it, nothing. I didn't do anything to it besides put some makeup on it and make my baby hairs. Like, that's all I did. So I love this unit, you guys. If you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer it for you. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I answered a majority of your questions as well. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to Outre for sending over this unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.